2004 got a chance to play in what I thought was my best position at midfield.
Ben probably got, what will I say, more praise than what Jerry did. But Jerry was the harder worker. He had a fabulous attitude towards the game. He wouldn't take anything the easy way. It had to be hard work.
The bhí an stamina ag Jerry dan o'i déadach sé dul agus dul agus dul. Bhí sa gomsa Farlar Park agus sin an siomh dó agus bhí sé haar bar a bhílach sa can.
Ben was more the maybe silkier finisher style of hurling, you know, that forward who got the great scores and, you know, did the things that nearly wow you a lot. But Jerry was a machine, you know, he had all the hurling, but he was up and down the pitch all day long, always available for the ball.
Brian Corcoran, hand passed outside, Jerry O'Connor waiting for it. Jerry settling himself, going for the strike, and he gets